For a ride? No, the battery there.
It's a very funny scent.
Hey, actually, I'm hearing it also. Is it coming from the motor?
Wires are burnt. It's burnt wires.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my
How
God.
to burn it from there? Actually, all of them.
All of this is burnt.
You see? Sorry. We used weak wires. But the other system, when you connect it, you won't face those problems. The other one. The other system I bought.
Okay, this was a good test actually.
Let me see this. I have to record this.
It's good to record it. It's good you record it.
Even me, I was wondering that thing, you have to press it here. Oh, I think it got stuck. And wires are burnt. All systems now fake.